Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the export business of handsaw blades from our country to multiple countries. Handsaw blades are used for cutting metal, plastic, and small wood pieces in a straight or curved cut for metalworking, plumbing, and DIY tasks. India exports handsaw blades to more than 115 countries, and these are the top destinations. This product falls under Chapter 82 and the HSN code is 82029990 and more than 6,000 shipments took place as reported on 18th of July 2025 and during the financial year 23-24 handsaw blades export under HSN code 82029990 had a total worth of 2.5 per million US dollars and between April 24 and September 25 the total worth of export reached to 2.85 million US dollars. Key manufacturing hubs for handsaw blades are there in the many cities in this country, and these are the top cities. I hope the information in this video will be useful. Request to leave a comment below and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. And if interested, please send a message to the WhatsApp number in this video to book a complimentary meeting and learn about the export business processes and compliances. Thanks for watching this video. Wish you a very successful export business journey.